This is the person that we will set off the fireworks. Or maybe this person.
You thought you drank too much already.
And me and Lily Rose are going to choose me. So I'm ready.
We're ready.
No, I'm not. Wait, stop. No.
Oh!
Wow. Oh, that was a good one.
Oh, that is cool. Oh, I think it's.
Expect it, comment.
Oh!
Oh. Little tiny puff.
Yes, I'm ready.
Run. I like this one. It really smooth.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Who's left?
I like this one.
Hold that end. Hold that bit.
Sarah, it is a sparkler.
Hold that
Which
bit.
way do I hold it?
Don't touch that bit. Oh, there. No.
Sarah, it's a sparkler.
The wrong way. The wrong way.
Yeah, that's it.
That's the wrong way.
That's it. Don't touch it. It's hot.
That way.
No, that's it.
No, it's that way.
No, that's the right
Not
way.
Thomas, that size lit. Do not touch it.
This is why we don't have proper sparklers.
That size. It's not. No, it's not. Look, that spit's on fire.
I know.
Yeah.
I'll prove it. Come with me. Come with me. Come with me.
Okay, my granddad's setting off another rocket. I am! Out of the way!
No.
Okay, here's another one. Whoa!
Christmas tree. Yeah.
Okay, here it is.
I wonder which one is this.
Can I do another sparkler?
I'll let it up there.
Where is it?
Heavy.
Oh, I think it's another rocket. Is it the Falcon one again?
Oh, that cost translation is ready. World.
Okay. Wow!
Wow. So it's like more like a comet coming up and going off the base.
Apparently she's choosing nothing. She's choosing the bomb one. They chose the bomb one! Okay. Bro, same as the others.
They're all slightly different. Our counters are all the same, there's different colours in how they shoot a car. This one's quite small.
Oh, that's a bit bright. That's a bit high. That's a little bit high. Yeah.
I was expecting it to be red.
Okay, another rocket.
La 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 lava, chicken. Steve's lava chicken, yes, tasty as hell. Ooh, mama, see you're ringing the bell. Crispy and juicy.
Okay, setting off my fireworks.
Ooh, super spicy, it's a lava attack.
Steve firework.
Steve Lava Chicken Buttons fireworks.
La la la
Oh, it's
lava.
the same as last one.
I know.
Steve's lava
I think
chicken,
it's
yes, tasty as hell. Ooh, mama, see
It's very different from the last one.
crispy and juicy, now you're having a snack. Ooh, super spicy, it's a
There's
lava
more actually shooting the gun. Ready for lava
Okay.
chicken?
No, it's not.
La 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 lava.
This is the normal one. This is the original.
Steve's lava chicken, yes, tasty as hell. Ooh, mama, see now you're ringing the bell. Crispy and juicy, now you're having a snack.
Rocket
Ooh,
o'clock.
super spicy, it's a lava attack.
Yeah.
Okay, here's the Catherine wheel.
Oh, you meant to.
I feel like you meant to stand back a little bit more.
Whoa!
Look, it's opening another portal.
La 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 lava.
There's one half. You only see the other half.
Steve's lava chicken, yes, tasty as hell.
Here's the other
You're
part.
ringing the bell.
That will go much
Now
faster.
you're having a snack. Ooh, super spicy, it's a lava attack.
Did you see that?
What's that one?
This last one before the finale with the
Look at
rockets.
some. It was like, I can't remember what it was called.
It's orange. Terrace chocolate orange.
And green, so it's an orange.
A mint terrace chocolate orange.
Yeah, I love those.
There you go then, that's what it's called.
On there and just put 100 fireworks on it.
Well, that explode.
That one a bit sideways.
Why is it?
Ready?
Oh. Okay, here it is. Another rock.
That one went straight up. Oh, purple.
I like purple.
Oh, that went sideways. That's going down.
Oh no! Oh no! What's that? What's that? Oh. They're like, oh, what's
It's going
that?
again.
Firework.
That one's straight up this time.
Oh, that, I love that colour. Maybe the person who made it said that.
What if we set Steve on fire from Minecraft?
Oh.
I like that. That was pretty. One of this is. I'll do it going.
Ready? Targeted strike in 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, it is. It was going towards that. I love the little flashy.
Bong.
Oh, that's so
Sparkling.
pretty.
Oh, that one's a bit drunk. When he jumps and sits down like that, because he just drops down rather than
That
sits
was a
down.
fast one. Let's see if the stick comes out fast.
Here's the final finale. Whoa!
I would take that.
I did not expect that.